Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this dark blue shirt I got, size large, and it is by Hardaddy. And check it out. This is what it's gonna look like here. Let me go and put it on for you so you can see what it looks like here on me. I got size large. I weigh about almost 190 at this point, and I'm 5'10", so I'll give you an idea of how it will look on me. I like this shirt, it's comfortable. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It goes down about mid butt. It's got a just straight across here. It doesn't have one of those little slits or anything. It's got a little pocket up here, and it's comfortable. It's nice. It's got the little sleeves here with this little design. So it's got kind of a cool looking little design going on it. Really cool. I like this. So this is the shirt here. It fits. I got some room in it still, so probably could have even worn a medium on this one here. But there we go. So this is what it looks like here. Super nice. By Hardaddy. It's really comfortable. It is made of 70% polyester, 25% cotton, and 5% elastine, which I guess gives it the stretchiness for it. So this is cool. It's a nice shirt. I'm gonna look awesome in it. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.